Today, let's get started and import some live data from your preferred data source right into Google Sheets. Using the Coefficient Side app, click on Import From, and then scroll until you find your preferred data source. Today, I'll use Salesforce as an example. From here, you can import data from an existing report, build a custom report on any Salesforce object, or import using a SQL query. For this example, let's import an existing report. You can search for a specific report here, or find your most recently used reports listed below. Select your report of choice and click Import. Once your report has successfully imported, you can fully customize the data that you want to work with. Easily add or remove columns, and filter any data that you'll need. For example, you may only want to look at opportunities that you've successfully won. You can add a stage filter for stages that contain the word won. Select Save and Run, and voila! Now your report only shows your won opportunities.